Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to PayPal money instantly. This is free and available worldwide. Also, you can withdraw your earning at any time. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video and never miss the important ways to effectively earn money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Before I go any further, I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to say because I'm about to give you 2 ways for making money online. Without further ado, I'd want to introduce you to Paidera.com, which I'll be discussing with you today. Before we get into the specifics of what the website is all about, keep an eye out for the vital tips that will enable you to quickly cash out and earn extra income. You'll now need to go to Paidera.com, a website that pays you to take surveys. Yes, it's as simple as completing surveys. All you have to do is put out a little effort, and your time here will be converted into cash. Isn't that ridiculous? With Paidera.com, you won't have any issues because the payout is secure and quick. You will be able to get money right away, no matter where you are. What I like best about it is how easy it is to play with a $5 minimum bet. As a result, once you've reached this amount, you can cash it out at any time. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. You can perform an unlimited number of jobs each day on the site, and there is no limit to how much money you can earn in a day. Later, I'll teach you a trick that you can utilize and practice to consistently make money. As previously said, there are a plethora of ways to make money in Paidera. You can also sign up for various jobs such as taking surveys, submitting videos, or recommending a buddy. Because this is just a single web page, you can do a lot of things with it. Thousands, if not millions of people visit our website every day from all around the world. That's only the start. If you keep an eye on it, you could be one among the millions if you look at the proof and review section of this page. You'll see a man named Hesho from Egypt who claims to have been paid $21. There's also a review here from Alpayan of Indonesia who claims to have been paid $33. And if you keep reading for proofs and reviews, you'll discover that they're all grateful for the site and have ever persuaded others that it's genuine and that you can make money here. As previously stated, this website is accessible to people all over the world and contains hundreds of thousands of payment proofs, meaning that Paidera can help you make money. You'll now create a free account by clicking the blue Create an Account button at the top of the website, which will take you to this page. All you have to do is fill in the blanks with your name, username, email address, and password preference. Then you must sign up and establish an account by clicking Sign Up. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. It's actually quite straightforward and painless. You'll be able to participate in surveys, invite friends, download apps, and much more once you've completed the registration process. I'll now proceed to show you how to profit from it. Once you've logged into your account, you can do surveys like this one and earn up to 50 cents right away. The survey is updated every day. If you think about it, 50 cents isn't a lot of money. Which is why if you want to make even more money, you need to listen to what I have to say. Now you'll click on text surveys. Simply click on the green button to be taken to this page where you'll see that taking surveys and clicking on buttons can earn you 50 cents. But there's a tiny secret I'll share with you. You are not compelled to respond to or finish these surveys. All you have to do is click this blue button and the survey will appear on the website. They'll ask you basic things like your gender once it's completed loading, and your response won't matter in the least. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Then we'll go down to the bottom of the page and click on the blue button. Then click on the right button and the page will reload. At this point, you don't even need to answer any questions. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click continue. It's as simple as that. Do you want to know why I'm so fond of this website? You will be paid 50 cents each time you press a button. You will receive $1 or $2 if you successfully answer 2 or more questions. Because it's limitless, you can do it as many times as you want. So I'll just continue doing what I'm doing and it'll credit me 50 cents for each click. Consider how much money I could make if I repeated the process several times a day. Simply keep doing what you're doing without responding to the survey and you'll keep getting paid right away. After completing the first 10 surveys, you'll be able to choose from a choice of surveys in which you can earn double points and unique bonuses. If you have enabled surveys, you will now make $1 per survey instead of 50 cents. And you may always double or triple that by repeating the approach we just explained. If you want to discover why they pay you money, simply press the continue button. It's all because of advertising. So it's a win-win situation. They will benefit if you click on the paid adverts, and if you think this is a scam, think again. One simple approach to do this is to ignore the advertisements by scrolling to the bottom of the page and pressing the continue button to continue earning money. This website is open to everyone because Paidera has no national limitations. You have complete authority over when and how much you work. It's quite convenient because there's no supervisor, no deadline, and no stress. While earning money, you have entire flexibility to do whatever you desire. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to pay full money instantly. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.